Hello po, sorry, na-late. Ay.
Katropa! Let's all welcome Alden as well. Thank you so much for making this vlog screening possible. Marami ata sa inyo first time mapapanood. So, we want to know your thoughts about the movie. So, after nyo panoorin, please help us promote it on social media sa lahat. And ulit-ulitin natin, especially ngayon, it's our first day. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-ipon, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng oras. And yes, enjoy nyo lang yung love story ni Ethan and Joy. Okay, we'll make this quick para you can watch.
Yan to Katropa, maraming salamat. Thank you sa love and support na binibigay niyo kay Kat and all her projects and of course for this film. Maraming salamat for this vlog screening. This is a big help actually. Para sa first day natin. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung film. We'll make this quick. We're very sorry we cut it, but sana marami kayong eksenang makarelate kung meron man, at sana mas marami rin kayong mapulot at madala sa inyong journey sa buhay after watching Hello Love Again. So maraming salamat Katropa and enjoy the rest of the film. Thank you po!
Okay, dyan lang. Walang pababa. Dito ang tingin. Dito ang tingin. Sa camera ang tingin. Dito ang tingin. Dito ang tingin.